Hey there my YouTube fam! Today I am going to teach you this glittery eye look perfect for Eid. I will be discussing some of my honest review about this new balance which I bought recent. Let's get started. Starting my tutorial with this book palette from Beauty Glazed Cosmetics, and this palette has 3 settings. First one is kind of neutral shades. Second one has some mauve shades. And the third one has some blues on it. This brush is from Morphe brushes. Taking this shade named Purple Peppermint. Applying this shade to my crease and adding shade to my lid gradually. In my opinion, this palette is not pigmented enough. I mean, it's really hard to pick color in first attempt because the shades are so pastel formulated. I am seriously not satisfied with this one. I will warn you guys not to invest your money in this one. This brush is from BH Cosmetics, picking this shade Royal. And applying over my green shade. Oh lord, it's so hard to build color with this palette. Oh my god. This brush is from Morphe brushes, blending my crease with the same green shade. This brush is from BH Cosmetics. Taking this pressed glitter shade named Onyx and pressing on my lid. Okay, so the glitter are nice in this, and without using any glue, it is sticked by itself. This mascara is from Essence Lash Princess. Applying it to my lashes. This gold pencil is from ZHOOSH Cosmetics. Applying it to my waterline. This brush is from Morphe brushes. Taking the same royal shade and smoking out my lower lash line. This brush is from BH Cosmetics, taking this shimmery shade named Lee and highlighting my brow bone as well. So this is the complete look. I know I already messed up with the glitters, so excuse me please. Hope you guys will like it. Give this video a thumbs up to support your girl. Like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.